Pass the cable through the port on the left side of controller and connect it to the terminal block. Use a tool to secure the terminal block tightly. Connect the positive wire of the solar cable to P jack, and the negative wire to P, then tighten the screws. Next, we will connect the pump extension cable to the pump's built-in cable. First, slide a black heat shrink tube over the cable. Connect the wires at both ends with terminals and crimp them tightly using a tool. Note that you must be linked accordingly. Then move the black heat shrink tube to the connection point and use a heat gun to shrink it tightly. After that, wrap the connection with electrical tape followed by waterproof tape. Repeat this process at least twice for each of the 3 wires. Then wrap another layer of waterproof tape and electrical tape over the entire connection. Next, attach the extension cable to the terminal block. Secure it with a tool and connect it to the U, V, and W terminals on the pump accordingly. Finally, we will connect the float switch to the controller. The float switch is optional. Connect the black wire to COM, the brown wire to TH, and the blue wire to TL. When the float in the water tank stands upright, the pump will stop. When it tilts down, the pump will start.